In this video, we will discuss how to find the root mean square value, RMS, of a function, in particular a rectified sine function. The root mean square value means the square root of the mean square value. The mean square value can be found by the following equation. It's equal to the square of the function is equal to the limit of t to the infinite 1 over t integral 0 to t square dt, where time is equal to any time interval that we choose, that is of our interest. In this problem, we're interested in only the positive section of the sine function. So we're gonna be using t equal t over 2. Now, a sine function is defined by the following function or equation. A representing the amplitude and sine wt. So the square of that function will be a square sine square wt. We know that there is a trigonometric identity that we can use, so we can find the integral of the square of the sine square function. That identity gives us the value of that sine square wt is equal to 1 minus the cosine wt over 2. So that's an identity. Now we can substitute this in the integral to find, and then take the limit to get the mean square value. Let's do that. We have the mean square value is equal to the limit when the time goes to infinity 1 over t, the integral of 1 minus cosine 2wt over 2. And we have to multiply that by a squared, so let's have a squared taken out of the integral. Okay, now let's solve for the integral of this equation. And we're gonna have that is equal to the limit of time going to infinity, a squared over t so we have taken the integral of 1 dt, and then 1 over 2, and with time, and the integral of cosine, which is sine 2wt, and then the integral of this portion here by time, and that's our result of the integral. We're gonna apply now the time frame that we have chosen, and we're gonna have the following result. And this is our equation. Now, simplifying this equation, we're gonna get the following. So if I multiply this by this, I'm getting a square over 4 minus, notice that here, we're this expression, because if I multiply a square over t by sine w 2w t over 2 over 4w, this expression is going to go to 0. Therefore, our value is going to be equal to a squared over 4. Now, I only need to apply to get the RMS. So this is, notice this is only the mean square value of the function. To get the RMS, or the root mean square value of this function, I'm going to have to apply the square root of this, and my result will be a over 2. And that will be the root mean square value of this function.